Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill these great looking MAGGI BBQ wings. It's time to grill. So I would like to thank everyone for the great interaction we had on the MAGGI sous vide ribs video 2 weeks ago. I really had a blast with all the childhood stories from all the people who loved MAGGI and used to eat that in their childhood and still eating that. Really cool. I really enjoy it. So I bought 2 bottles for the first video, so I decided to make a second one. Don't want to do this one, so this is the last recipe video with MAGGI, I promise. Then I came up with the idea of using the MAGGI twice for this recipe. First is we put half of the bottle into the ziplock bag with the chicken and we marinate it in the fridge for at least 4 till 6 hours or overnight if you want to have an intense taste of MAGGI. And the second one is to make a MAGGI barbecue sauce, which is more a barbecue glaze because the wings should be glazed at the end of the grilling time with that sauce. So let's get started with throwing the MAGGI as a marinade, approximately half a bottle into the ziplock bag. Pretty easy. Then close the ziplock bag and try to press out all the air that is in there. This is how I usually do it. Close it until it's almost closed, then push out all the air. I fold it like so, push it and then close it. Make sure not to close it too strong, otherwise you will ruin the bag like I did now. Bam. Okay, it's still closed, so I'm fine with that. We're gonna take it in the fridge as I mentioned in the beginning, 4 till 6 hours. And in the moment it's in the fridge, we can start preparing the MAGGI barbecue sauce. First of all, 2 centiliters of MAGGI and the rest of the ingredients, of course I will put in exact amount in the video description. 1 cup of ketchup. We need at least 1 teaspoon of Thai curry paste. White wine vinegar. Of course the MAGGI. 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup and cayenne pepper. For the heat, take it, heat it up, and after it is ready and it's has completely cooked, take it in a bowl like so and let it cool down. This is the part for the glaze. Once you're ready with the marination time, you can start preparing your grill, of course. This is my broiling cake today. We have prepared it with charcoal. We add some cherry chunks here today, cherry wood chunks. Of course you can use other wood if you like. So this is the part for the indirect grilling. The deflector with water in it, the grill grates, and then close it again. We are headed for a grill temperature of 160 degrees Celsius. We are smoking them today. For me there's no need to take away the marinade. No paper towels here, just take them out of the bag and throw them on the grill. They dry easily. Cooking time for the first phase is 35 minutes, 160 degrees Celsius, approximately 350 till 370 degrees Fahrenheit, something around that. And 35 minutes should be enough to have the glaze on, and then again 15 minutes. So the total cooking time for these wings is 45 minutes till 50 minutes, something around that. So now we're gonna have a look after 35 minutes, and I really like the color the wings have right now. I think this comes from the Maggi marinade and of course the smoke, but it's awesome. I really like the color. So now take the glaze and baste your wings with the glaze from both sides, and then grill them 15 minutes, and then we're ready, and we're gonna give this a shot, of course. Here's the result. Now they're ready. We're gonna take them out now, and I'm gonna give this a shot. I will leave you alone with the original footage. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please hit that like button and leave me a comment if you have anything to comment or any ideas what to do with Maggi in the upcoming videos. Maybe I will change my opinion and make a third one, I don't know. Also, take a view on my fan pages, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon. I'm gonna give this a shot. Thanks for watching so far. I'm out.
So let's give this a try. Really cool. I like this idea.